Here we are in Chapter 2 review exercises numbers 15 through 19. Multiply the following and simplify. We are multiplying fractions, so we first need to change them to improper fractions so we can times numerators to numerators and denominators to denominators. So let's remember how we do this. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19 fifths. And again, in slow motion, 3 is the same as 15 fifths. That's where we get that multiplication from. Times 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5 thirds. So when we multiply those straight across, we get 19 times 5 is 95. We might double check that over here. 19 times 5. 5 times 9 is 5, carry a 4, 45. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. Okay, 95 fifteenths. Oh, we can divide by 5 on top and bottom. Divide by 5, divide by 5. We know that that guy's 19, and that is 3. And notice that this right here, also you can see that this is going to be 19 times 5 and 5 times 3, and they will cancel. We could have divided by 5 at the very beginning. Okay, 19 thirds. We could also write this as 3 goes into 19 6 times, and that is 6 which is 18 thirds, and there's 1/3 left over. Okay, so either one of those is good. Number 2, 16. This is already set up, so straight across, 1 times 7 is 7. 4 times 10 is 40. Negative times a positive is negative. So 7/40. I think that's as good as we can get on that one. Number 17. So this is 60 over 1, which means we're timesing straight across, so we would get a 300 divided by 4. Negative times negative would be positive. So 300 divided by 4, we could divide top and bottom by 2. We get 150 over 2. Divide top and bottom by 2 again, and we get 75. Now notice up here, we could have done this ahead of time. 60 and 4, that leaves a 15. 15 times 5 would be 75. Okay, number 18. We're dividing, which is going to be the same rules as multiplication. We're going to flip that guy when we get there. So again, we take and times that and add, and so we get 19 fifths times, I better do this one. Let me see. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, so that's 5 thirds. So we're going to times by 3 fifths. So we get 19 times 3. 3 times 7 is 7. 27, carry the 2. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 57 25ths. Okay, so you can leave it like that. Or we could see that 25 goes in there twice. That's 50 25ths, and there are 7 left over. All right, and number 19. Negative 1/4 times 10 sevenths. Straight across, 1 times 10 is 10. 4 times 7 is 28. And there's a negative sign. Let me see. We could divide by 2. Divide by 2. And we still have the negative sign there. So negative 5/14 is the answer. Notice we could have canceled a 2 out of there and a 2 out of there, and we get negative 5/14. Excellent.